Did you know that flu infects millions of people each year? The flu season usually starts from April. So, what is seasonal flu? Do you know what is the difference between seasonal flu and common cold? I'll try to cover the facts including its symptoms, signs, how to relieve from it by home remedies or by medication, and tips for prevention of flu. We all experience common cold and flu in our lifetime, but we don't know what's the difference between them. So firstly, let me explain about it. Common cold versus seasonal flu. Common cold is a mild respiratory illness compared with flu. It can make you suffer for a few days. You may feel sore throat, running nose, cough, and mild fever. But they usually goes away after a day or two. Seasonal flu is usually more severe than common cold. It may last for a few days to weeks, and it can also sometimes lead to serious complication in certain types of people. Its symptoms are mostly similar to common cold, plus you may feel high fever, headache, muscle pain, etc. I'll mention the detailed symptoms of flu below. What is flu? Actually, it's influenza. We called it flu in short term. It's a respiratory illness caused by virus. Flu can spread from infected person to normal ones by touching them, shaking hands, by coughing or sneezing. Not everyone who catch flu shows symptoms unless whose immune is weak. Flu is not usually serious, but it makes us unpleasant. The following are those who are at high risk of catching flu and who can cause serious complications. Very young child. Elderly people. Pregnant women. People who have underlying illness with weak immune system like asthma, diabetes, kidney disease, cancer patients. People who are taking steroids. Signs and symptoms of flu includes running or blocked nose, severe sore throat, cough, high temperature, 100 to 104 Fahrenheit, headache, easily exhausted at the beginning of illness, shivers, muscles and joint pain, skin rashes, redness areas over the body, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Vomiting and diarrhea are more common in children than adults. How to ease the symptoms of flu. 1. Stay home and get full rest. 2. Avoid contact with other people as possible. 3. Keeping your body warm. 4. Drink plenty of fluids like water, fruit juices, electrolyte-balanced drinks, broth-based soups that will help your body hydrated and make thick mucus to thin so that you can cough up and spit out. 5. Avoid alcohol drinking and cigarette smoking. 6. Eat healthy foods as much as possible to boost your immune system. 7. If the temperature is very high, you can rub your body with wet cloths or take a shower until the temperature goes down. Then wear a warm clothes, eat well, and rest well. 8. Use humidifier. A mist humidifier can moisten the air in your house to help congestion and cough. 9. Consult with doctors to treat your fever, cough, and some complications. One thing you should know about flu is that it can't be cured by taking antibiotics because flu is caused by virus, not by bacteria, so taking antibiotics won't be effective. Doctors will give you paracetamol or ibuprofen to cure your fever. Paracetamol is easily available on drugstores, but the children should consult with doctors to get the correct dose of treatment. Analgesics can also relieve the muscle pain caused by flu. And I'd like to tell you how to treat cough from flu. Coughing is quite unpleasant for us, so I want to share some tips to relieve from cough as quickly as possible. 1. Try lozenges or throat sprays. It can soothe your throat and make you feel better from sore throat caused by intensive coughs. 2. Try menthol and certain herbal cough syrup. They can slightly numb and soothe your throat. 3. Use honey. By adding a teaspoon of honey to your tea may help you from coughing. But honey shouldn't be tried to children under 1-year-old. You can also try ginger tea. 4. Take plenty of drinks. You can take any warm drinks like warm tea and soups to hydrate your body, boost energy, and help breaking up thick mucus. But try to avoid caffeine, alcohol, orange, and other citrus juices which can make your throat irritate and cough up. 5. Gargle with salty water. Mix a teaspoonful of salt in a cup of warm water and gargle. Although studies haven't shown that it can relieve cough, gargling with salty water can actually relieve my sore throat. According to my personal experience, you should do it several times a day. 6. Use medication for cough. You should consult with your doctor if you are not sure which kind you need. Usually cough suppressants or expectorants are given. Cough suppressants reduce the urge to cough, so it's suitable for dry cough without mucus. Expectorants can help you cough up mucus, what we called wet cough. 7. Use painkiller or analgesic like acetaminophen from drugstores to help with sore throat pain, but the correct dosage of drugs can only be determined by doctors or pharmacists. 8. Avoid dirty air. Smokes and dirty air can irritate your throat and make your cough worsen. To see a doctor. As mild illness doesn't need medical care, you just need to keep your body time to recover back. But you must go to doctors if the followings are happened. Persistent high fever for more than 4 to 5 days. Painful swallowing caused by severe sore throat. Persistent cough for more than 2 or 3 weeks. Persistent congestion. Severe cough with shortness of breath and chest pain. Coughing up blood, bloody mucus, yellow or green mucus. White patches on your throat or tonsils. Skin rashes. Severe vomiting. If these signs occur, you should go and see your doctor to get timely and correct treatment for your illness, which may need some antibiotic treatment. Serious complications caused by flu. Viral or bacterial pneumonia. Dehydration. Sinus and ear infection. Worsen pre-existing heart disease, asthma, diabetes. Problems with central nervous system like fits. Prevention of influenza. Frequent hand washing it can prevent your hand from contaminating with virus or bacteria. You should wash your hands properly and keep your body hygienic. That's also important for new normal lifestyle to prevent COVID-19 infection. Take plenty of electrolyte balanced drinks and healthy foods to boost your immune system and keep your body hydrated. Take face mask in people crowded areas. Take flu vaccination every year. Healthcare professional will give a shot of seasonal flu vaccine in the arms. Take Vit C tablets or multivitamin-rich foods to boost your immune system. I hope these facts I wrote above will cover the things you need to know about influenza. Everyone is susceptible to flu, but take your time to do these easy ways to prevent and cope with it. Stay healthy and overcome the illness. Next, watch this video on the screen to know about the outdated health advices in 21st century. Peace out.